Today I'll show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash. As of now, there currently isn't a direct option, but there is a simple workaround I'll show you. First, open the app and head to the shop section. Look through the offers to see if any gift cards are available. The shop updates daily, so if you don't see gift cards right now, don't worry, they may appear tomorrow. You can enable notifications to stay updated about new offers and special deals. If you don't find gift cards in the shop, another option is to bid for them. Head to the bid section. Here you'll see ongoing bidding wars for gift cards. The top bidders at the end of the auction will win the gift cards. Check out your previous auctions to get an idea of bidding trends. For example, a past auction awarded $100 gift cards to the top 9 bidders. Check your shop daily for new gift card offers. Only bid what you can afford, and enable Sweatcoin notifications to know when high-value gift cards are up for grabs. If you get a gift card, for example for PayPal, you can easily convert it to GCash. Just head over to PayPal and go to the link a card section. Then link your GCash card to PayPal. From here you can go to send payments, choose your GCash card and send the available funds to your GCash account. Another workaround is use your Sweatcoins to purchase products from the shop. You can then sell them through local marketplaces or online platforms to convert them into cash. Sweatcoin is continuously evolving. They may introduce direct withdrawal options, including GCash in the future. Keep an eye on the special section for updates about new features or transfer options. You can also enable notifications for the app so you don't miss out on limited time announcements.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.